NPR stands for non-photorealistic rendering. You might have already heard of the opposite, which is PBR, which stands for physically based rendering. PBR is kind of based on reality and how reality is constructed, like how light bounces off things, and basically all the physical, realistic rules that we have discovered so far at least. NPR, the opposite then, is basically based on you and how you want your world to look. So basically said in a different way, at the core of PBR, you'll find the real world, and at the core of NPR, you'll find the world that you envision and that you basically want to create. If you want to learn more about 3D anime, make sure to check out my free 3D anime course here on YouTube. In there, I basically try to condense all the information that I have gathered over the last 2.5 years of creating my projects and learning things and researching things and testing things basically. And I've tried to put it all into this one course for free, which you can see and find on YouTube. So if you're curious about that and want to learn more and go more in depth in creating your own 3D anime, for example, make sure to check out the description where you'll find the link to it. Otherwise, I guess you can also just enjoy more of these clips if you want. So yeah, do whatever you want.